Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, the daily candle, what it done here, it fell down and it bring for us the target exactly as we said. And people, they enter with us short in 4 hours from here. Now they making decent profit, guys. And I told it's going to fall down till here, till that place here. And as you see it, guys, it fell down very close. But guys, that one is Monday candle, so you need to make a close eye at it. Till now, also we haven't break down here. Maybe from here you're going to see going up. So also we're analyzing and we're still with it. And may I tell it to you guys, when I show you on Friday the option strike price for all those people, the puts and the calls, I told you all of them, they saying Bitcoin is going to stay sideways between 17,500 from the top here and down here 15,500, and that's what it's showing here till now as you see it. So also on Friday we'll be in here and I tell you all that is going to fall down to here, and that's what it's showing, guys. So now it's going to break down. No, I don't think so. Maybe it's going to come down to touch here, or maybe from here it's going to go back up. Till now also we still sideways, guys, and that's what it's showing to you the market here. Even if you came and you're doing like that 2 levels, as you see, then also we are here sideways and we haven't break either up or either down. Till now the market is showing to us also we still sideways, guys. And here in the daily, what me I told you if we don't break that inside bar here, till now also we still in the range of it all those weeks, guys. That the second week now we started, as you see it, also we still sideways here. There is nothing new, guys, here. I told you it's need to break either up here for us to enter long or down to break here for us to go short. Till now it doesn't break no up no down, so also we still here in a sideways market or a ranging market. There is nothing new, guys. By the way, Yes, you are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that you're going to be very well updated about what the market doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So now, guys, here we don't have nothing special here in the daily. Now it's going to see the coming news for tomorrow for picture to be more clear to you. So it's going there. The coming news, guys, for tomorrow, as you see it, we got a very special news tomorrow, and is it that one, guys? Building permit is going to come at 1:30 GMT time, so you change it to your local time. And we got other ones, but those ones we don't care about them because also we don't trade in forex here. So we got that one, and that one is the most important news, guys, because the building permit was still making problem now or causing problems now for US economic. And as you see it, guys, here the previous one, it came 1.512 and the forecast is going to come 1.485. That man is going to fall down more, and that the big problem of US economic is the housing, or people, they don't buy in houses and there is no new building permit. So that one is a big problem, and that's why the Fed, they said they are going to still tighten in, and that's something very bad, guys. We don't know till when is going to end up that thing, because all the other sectors, they recover from the crash. The only housing sectors, it doesn't, and that's something very bad. And you know, America, majority of the economic of them, it's built on real estate. So that one is very bad news. Plus here, guys, we got our friend, the table also we follow every day. Is it that one here? As you see it, as I show you in the previous video, all US stocks, they are going to fall down, and that's what happened. All of them, they closed red, guys. That's what me I told you, people, they trade in stock market. I show you all those things, and that's what it's showing here. Everything is red, guys. Plus here, our friend, that one also we follow every day. We still above 20. That's, man, a lot of risk still in the market and a lot of fear to make it like that. So people, they are still very scared, guys. So it's not yet to start investing. It's not yet for long-term investors. It's not yet. Even here, the dollar index, it's showing a weakness today, but not that much. As you see, it's 0.03%. We still 104. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to see our indicators what the same for pictures to be more clear to you. So it's going there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when we came here, that in the daily, when we came here, we told you close what it equal your investment. By the way, the people that just came, also we enter from here down, and we enter from here. When we break in here, we enter again. At the first one, we enter it from here. Second one, we enter it from here. When it came here to the third time here, I told you close what it equal your investment. Let's say you invest in $100 from here, from that number one, and $100 from number two. That $200 when we came here to number three, you need to close what it equal $200, and you left the profit. If it go up, fair enough. If it fall down more, you free your capital to buy more. By the way, that money management strategy, it's very, very well explained in our crypto investing course. The course is it in the first comment. It's not expensive at all. It's only $13 if you're using the coupon link down. And believe me, that course is better than millions of courses. They sell it to you online by $1,000 and $2,000. Believe me when I tell you that. That course is better than millions of courses. They sell it to you online by $1,000 and $2,000. Because me, I see majority of those courses, they sell it online, and majority of them, they are garbage. Because people who made them, they are not traders. That's why the difference between us and others. But it's up to you. It's only $13. I'm not going to be rich by $13. It's only the price of a cup of coffee. It's up to you. So guys, what else we said here, now also we free our capital here. And as you see, that one I tell it to you before, that one the downtrend, also we've been following from 2021 till now. We haven't break it, so also we're still in a downtrend from 2021, guys. We're still waiting the right moment when it's going to be broken upward. Till now it doesn't being broke, and that the market, how it's showing to us. And as you see it, all along we've been down here, whereas the bears, they controlling. There is no bulls. Every time he came to the place where is the bulls, they controlling. As you see it, came here in that time, fall down quickly, came here in that time, fall down very quick, and here very quick. So the bears, they still controlling that market, guys. There is no ball yet. I think everything is too clear. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button? Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smashing the like button, writing down a comment, support us. You know that channel without you it can grow up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours, guys, to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. People they've been with us for some time. Also, we enter a short because we used to have here the down channel here. That one, it's being broken here in that candle here. We enter short. Till here, the last video we been here in that candle here. I told you start protecting yourself. Look till where we go now. At that candle here. That one, close some of the profit. Close some of the profit now, my friend. You don't know what's going to happen. Yes, it's showing to us here a very clear head and shoulder as you see it. As you see it, I'm not drawing on top of it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, you got a very clear head and shoulder here. The neckline is that one, but till now it doesn't breaking down. So you now, you are in a nice profit. You enter from that candle here till here. So maybe from here it's going to go higher. We don't know exactly, guys. And me, I'll show you another thing here. I'll show you that one, a cup and handle here before, and I told you it's breaking down here. In that candle here, it's breaking, and I want you to know the target exactly. Just make like that, and you do it like that down. So over here, it's showing it's going to go down till that level here. So you now close a little bit. If it fall down more, fair enough. You got free cash, like how we enter long from here. If you remember, over here we're closing some of the profit, and here we're closing some of the profit. Then when it's breaking here in that candle, we're closing everything. Same thing now. Also we enter from here in that candle. That one here, that bigger one, we enter short. We'll reach here, we will close in what we invest. As I tell it to you, if you invest $100, you close here what is equal $100, and you leave the profit to run more. Because today is Monday candle, guys, we don't know exactly what's going to happen. Maybe you're going to see the Bitcoin is going higher, and majority of the big whales or big investors, those ones they invest in crypto options, they saw in Bitcoin it will not breaking down 15,500, and they will not breaking up 17,500. So that's the view of them. But also we don't care about all that. Also we're making a price action and we're waiting what's going to happen. And here, as you're seeing, guys, you can even come like that, and you draw in here like a downtrend like that, and you waiting. If it's breaking upward, you can enter long, but that one it's not yet. We need to wait in another clear price action. What is going to tell us, because till now there is nothing clear here. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going to say our other indicator what it's saying for pictures will be more clear to you. So let's go in there. That one here, if you remember, people they've been with us when we've been here at the 4 hours. I told you close everything. Now look at it, it's very close to the oversold area. So what we need either is going to enter here to the oversold area for us to looking for a buy opportunity, or it's going to stay sideways here. Then you're going to see it going upward, but it's going to fall down to touch the oversold area. So also we're still waiting, guys. That's how we trade. That's how we looking for opportunities. We are not just came and jump in the market. And that's why us every day we are here. We're putting for you videos. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So when there is a new update, we're going to update you here. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So guys, here also we still now in the control of the bears, and we are here in a downtrend. There is no bulls yet in the market. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. So let's go in there. That one here also we enter short because we've been here at the overbought area. And we used to be in a very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it. Plus the price action we used to have here, that up channel like that. When it's breaking here, we enter short, guys. Then look where we are. We are here exactly now. And our indicator is showing to us as we enter here to our oversold area. Now what should we do? As I tell it to you, you close some of the profit. You close what is equal your investment and some of the profit now. If it fall down more, fair enough. If it go up, you are not going to lose nothing. And now us, we need to looking for a buy opportunity because we are here at the oversold area. Price action, there is nothing yet. Can just make like that. But that one, it's still very early because that one is going to be broken very, very quick. But the first scenario, guys, and you can even make like that as a triangle. But that one, the down one is going to be the neckline of that head and shoulder I show you. If you make a close eye with me here, look here, you see it now or no? Look here, over here, that the shoulder, that the head, and that another shoulder. That means if it's breaking down, it's going to fall down more, guys. And we came like that, and we do it like that. Then the take profit is going to be down here in that level here of that one. That's why I told you close a little bit now, and you waiting what's going to happen. Till now, there is no price action here indicating for us to enter long, so we need to wait in a little bit what's going to happen, guys. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity there. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Also here in 30 minutes, we enter a scalping from here till here because here we close everything. Why? I'm going to show you why. Because we used to have here the down channel, that one, and I told you when it's going to be broken, you enter long, it's been broken till here because that one is Sunday, there is no big volume. I told you check the profit. Now I show you that flag here, guys. We got here. I told you when it's going to be broken here, you enter short, and that's what it's showing. When it's breaking here, look, tell where it went. That's only for scalping, guys. Now let's see our indicators, what they're saying. Our indicator, as you see it, when it enter here to the overbought area, I told you to close everything. And the price action we used to have here, that one here, when it's breaking here in that candle here, we enter short. Now we are at the oversold area. Now we need to look in just for buy opportunity. Did we got any price action here? Yes, you can make a price action there like that. But it's going to be very, very far away to be broken like that. It needs to go up to break up. So we need to wait in a little bit, guys. Maybe it's going to make give us here another price action, or maybe it's going to fall down more than that. So also we are in a very, very downtrend, guys. And that part here is just being a rested level as you see it. Then after that also we continue down. I think picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the European market close, guys. Bye for now.